Okay, this image was created by an AI image generator, so it's not a real-world case. We see here a so-called memory game, where the goal is to identify two identical cards. My kids are very good at this game, while I myself, at 54 years old, am now a bit too slow for it. But many people know how the game works, and that's why I'm using it here as a practical example to explain the problems we still have with artificial intelligence. Let's start with the fact that we entered a so-called prompt at the top, where we described what we wanted to see in the picture. The description spoke of 50 cards, but there are fewer than 20 in the picture. We wanted 25 pairs, but the AI was unable to match any of the cards to another card in the image. We indicated that there should be no text on the cards, but despite this, two cards have text printed on them that doesn't make sense. Further up, you can see two more cards with blurry text. These also have nothing to do with the animals on the cards. In addition, two cards show so-called animals in the lower right corner, but they cannot even be identified. The AI simply displayed random elements that look like animals but are not real animals. Furthermore, we indicated that the table on which the cards are displayed should be white, but the AI did not understand that either. Why is this a problem? It's quite simple. Every artificial intelligence has certain limitations. The reason why there are so many different solutions for working with artificial intelligence is that there is no universal definition of what artificial intelligence actually is. Artificial intelligence cannot be easily defined or measured in everyday language, which is why many people have different ideas about it. A good example to start with, you can see that we can make 2 or 3 settings on the right. At the top, we first have the dimensions for the image, in other words, how large the image should be in the end. Below that, there is the speed field. Of course, higher quality requires more processing power and therefore takes longer. Further down, you can also see what was displayed in the previous image, and similar mistakes were made here as well. As a human, you would say that the prompt or the task we gave the AI was well defined. So if we get such poor results, it's because of the model. Did we not express ourselves clearly enough, or what exactly would need to be done to improve the whole thing?